Daisy. I'm going to say hi to Auntie Lori. This one is Mo. This is our Mo baby. Say hi to Auntie Lori. Are you going to make a big yawn? You going to make a big yawn? Hi, Mo. Come here, honey. Daisy, get off my leg. You're hurting me. Get down. I can't do this on my own, Frank.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuck here too. One here.
Yeah, you're kind of stuck there, aren't you?
Got one on my leg, one here in my stomach here.
Oh, and there's Sadie's little owie on her nose. Poor baby. But this one's Mo. Isn't he cute? Say hi. And we'll show you Curly. And this one's Curly. Daisy, you better get off me. That one's Curly. He's not happy with me right now. Get off me, Daisy. Say hi, too. Aren't they cute? Get off me. Daisy, I'm going to kick your ass. You. Stop it. Hey. I'm talking to you. Stop. I'm not hurting your babies. And there, they're sleeping. You guys gonna turn around, at least? There you go. Okay. Shh, calm down. Calm down. Your nails are getting long again. Yeah, you're okay. Daisy, they are fine. It's your cute face. There we go. Shh. Calm down. Shh. Calm down. There you go. Calm down. Just don't like being on your back, do ya? You don't like being on your back, do ya? Huh, baby girl? Baby boy. Yes, I know. Say hi. Look at that face. Aww.